So my name is Nishant Sharma. I am a final year student at IIT Delhi. I am in engineering physics branch. Currently, I am the founder and CEO at Insituate AI. At Insituate, we believe that professionals should focus on more high-value work. So we provide a platform where our clients, which include many financial institutions, our channel partners, and largest banks in Japan and of US and of UK, where they could build their own co-pilots on-premise securely to automate business functions. PanScience has given us the opportunity to deploy Insituate across various industry use cases, talking with the actual industry leaders and getting live feedback. And this process, which otherwise would be inconvenient to say the least, has been streamlined through PSI. Also, the experience that all the leaders here have imparted to me have helped me as a major stepping stone in my journey as a young founder to build Insituate, to build a deep tech AI platform, and to actually change lives. The risk-taking ability and the mentorship that have been imparted to me at PSI by the leaders, the people who have actually been there, the global experts, have been very helpful to me to build my own startup company. What I firmly believe is that people in universities, no doubt they are technically very sound and professionally very profound, but they are living inside a bubble because they have little to no experience in the real game. I think PSI sets you up to face such challenges, and it has personally helped me very much in such regard. Being from IIT Delhi, an institute which has pumped the largest number of unicorn companies throughout India in history, I believe there is a lot to unlearn as a graduate, as a young founder for me, and PSI has bridged that gap for me. Any entrepreneur is known by his ability to lead a team, to build a convincing idea, and to convey people, to help people with that idea. And I think it is a must-have ability for a graduate if he or she wants to lead a company. Quite humbly, I am still learning such things from PSI here. Come join us into making everything intelligent at PSI.